Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Pauline Newman. I'd like to share with you the mallyxrupaul polished liquid lipstick and lip topper set. I will just do a quick demo for you because I've already hauled this, and I will leave a link to that video in the card above, also in the description box. So here are the three items. So you have your lip topper, you have a nude. So this is called Condragulations. That's the lip topper. You have Showgirl, which is this nude. And you have DragMother, which is my favorite, the red lipstick. So let's start with the lip topper. I'm currently wearing it right now, just a little bit, and I'll swatch it for you. Swatch it on my arm, which is that, and then I will do it on my lip. I absolutely do you see that? Love this color. It is just perfect. Let me just so you can wear it like this on its own. It is, oh, it is stunning. I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. It is just appropriate for anyone from 15 to 150. It is so pretty, and it's not sticky, it's comfortable, and I just love it. So that's the lip topper, and it's called Condragulation. Absolutely love it. It's a pinky corally color. I just love it. So that's Condragulation. Let's go in with Showgirl, and this is the nude. Again, nudes are not my thing because they make me look sickly, make me look ill. And there it is. But let's try it anyway. I'm taking one for the team. So I think the best way for me to wear this, because I have darker lips and just the center of my lips are pink, I would need to wear this with, say, a ColourPop BFF3 around the lip liner, around the perimeter of my lips, and then this in the center. But that's what it looks like. I think this would go to my sister Sharon because she looks so much better in nudes. Nudes are not my thing. I don't want anyone to think I brush my teeth with Mars bars or Snicker bars. That's what, it just makes me look ill. Do you see that? So that's why I don't wear it. This is DragMother. Beautiful blue-based red. Love it. It's gonna clash with this top. Oh, the worst lip swatch, but there is DragMother. Absolutely love this red. Again, these are so comfortable on the lips. They just, you really don't need to use a lot. I just, one swipe, you don't have to put it back into the container, because one swipe and you're good to go. They are effortless. They feel light on the lips. They're not drying. They feel moisturizing. They feel emollient on the lips, and they're just easy to wear. And I absolutely love, oh, the This DragMother is just everything to me. It's so pretty. So I just wanted to quickly show you this demo of the Mally X RuPaul Polished Liquid Lipstick and Lip Topper. So I don't know how this will look. Let me just quickly try this. Ooh. Let's see the topper, if it will calm it down a bit. Oh, look at that. Do you see that? That is stunning. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, by the way, I am wearing the Mally highlighter and the blush duo. And that will already be up, so I'll link that as well. It's really, really pretty. I love that with the lip topper. So I quickly wanted to share that with you. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. As always, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, simply pay it forward. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will not miss my videos. Until next time, bye-bye.